Regular brushing for long-hair cats is necessary for elimination of dead hair and grime from coat. These brushes keep their hair from becoming tangled or matted, especially around the ears, in the armpits, or along the back of the legs. They can work as a massaging comb on long, medium and short hair, and make your furry friend shiny and healthy. In order to help you to find out the right one, we have selected and reviewed best brushes for long-hair cats. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Hertzgo Slicker Brush for Cats. This super effective brush reduces shedding, detangles and keeps your furry friend's coat shiny and healthy. It is easy to clean. Simply retract bristles with the push of a button, and then wipe away collected fur effortlessly. Its smart design bristles, ergonomic comfort grip, and button retraction makes it easy to use for long and short-haired dogs, rabbits and more. It removes dirt and debris from the hairs of your pet, and keeps it looking happy and healthy all the time. Number 2. Muka Brush for Cats. Using this brush for long hair of cats on a regular basis can gently and effectively remove loose, tangles, knots, dander from hair and trapped dirt. It is also suitable for short, medium or long and curly hair of dogs, cats and rabbits, that makes your pets shiny and healthy. Its metal pins have round rubber tips that are perfect for shedding and massaging your pets without scratching skin. Its wire bristles are made of stainless steel, and its body is made from premium ABS material, therefore it is more sturdy and not easy to deform, and can be used for a long time. Its 150 degrees bent needles design penetrates deep into the coat and to groom the undercoat well. Number 3. Fermented De-Shedding Tool for Cats. This comb removes loose hair and massages your furry friend in the gentlest way, and leaves its fur free from tangles and knots. It has elastic and ergonomic design that does not scratch the skin of your pet, and leaves your pet fur shiny and healthy all the time. This massaging comb can work on long, medium and short hair of cats, and works great on dogs, bunnies and other pets. Its bristles are made of stainless steel, and its body is made of ABS plastic material, therefore it is more sturdy, and can be used for long time. It has fur ejector button that releases hair with ease, and makes the shedding of pet hair easier. Number 4. Delomo Grooming Brushes for Cats. It has 255 silicone grooming tips that mimics the touch of your hand for a soft and relaxing massage, and it has adjustable wrist strap for a comfortable fit on your hand. It is flexible and non-slip grooming gloves that allows you to brush away dirt and loose hair from cats and dogs. It is perfect for grooming of long, short and curly-haired dogs, cats, horses and other pets effectively, quickly and gently. Its 5-finger design allows you to groom hard-to-reach places like tail or face, and it can use during bathing of your pet for cleaning of pet hair. It is free from any materials that can cause skin damage, and gives your pets a gentle massage without hurting the skin. Number 5. Sleekers Brush Grooming Tool for Cats. Its handle is constructed from poplar wood that is waterproof, and its blade is made of high-quality material, therefore this brush is long-lasting. It has wavy pattern blade that is perfect for gently brushing on loose fur, dirt, and dander without snagging. It is painless and enjoyable grooming tool for shorter and longer hair of dogs, cats and more. It easily removes dirt, debris and tangles from the hairs of your pet, and keeps it looking happy and healthy.